Our sheet pan cookie is out of the oven and it's cooling. I have a medium bowl here and we're gonna grab some softened butter. I just let this get to room temperature and we're placing that right into our bowl. I have 2 sticks. I'm using salted, but you can use unsalted. Just make sure you get 2 sticks of butter right in there. Perfect. Once we have those in our bowl, we're gonna grab our hand mixer and we are going to whip our butter. And we want this butter to be nice and fluffy and just like a creamy whipped butter. It should double in size. So let's go ahead and just whip this up until it looks nice and fluffed. Okay, so that looks good. We've been whipping it for about 5 minutes. Let's make sure that those beaters get nice and cleaned. Now we can put that to the side. We're not done with it yet, but now I'm gonna go ahead and add my sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna use this whole can of sweetened condensed milk right in there. And after we add each ingredient, we are gonna mix it before we add the next one. That just helps this come along a lot faster. If you add it all together, it gets a little messy and it's not as thick. So we're gonna go ahead and start to whip this again with our hand mixer. Super fast. Oh, all right. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our vanilla, and we're gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla, which is 1 cupful, right in there. You can add whatever extract you like. You could do a lemon extract, you could do a peppermint, but I think vanilla is perfect. Go ahead and turn that back on and mix it in. All right. Last but certainly not least, we just need a pinch of our sea salt in there, and we're just gonna do a nice little, that's all you need. We're gonna go ahead and come back in with this and mix it up. All right, and that is done. Okay, now to make sure that this is nice and set, we are gonna pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. All right, our cookie has completely cooled. Now I'm gonna come in with my cake cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and go from edge to edge and cut out a perfect circle out of our cookie. Okay, we got that one cut, and then we're gonna go close to our circle so that we can cut out another one. We're gonna try to get 3 perfect circles out of our cookie. Okay, beautiful circles, and now we can go ahead and remove them from the pan. All right, we're gonna move this to the side and bring in our cutting board, and then I have this large and in charge spatula that we are going to use to get our cookie circle. Start with that, put it onto our platter. Now I'm coming in with our frosting, and I added it to our piping bag and it got nice and thick. And now we're gonna go in onto our cookie round, and we are gonna create some rosettes right on top of these. I actually took off that piping tip because it was too small, and I think we're just gonna do nice little rounds like that. That seems a lot better, and like I said, no one's gonna see this anyways. Okay, we have our other circle, and we are just going to slide that carefully into our frosting. Ooh, look at those layers. That is so adorable. You can kind of adjust it with your hands, so that is perfect. And then we are going to do the same exact step we did with that first round with that second one. So let's quickly get this frosted. All right, and carefully place our last cookie. Oh, look at those fun layers. It's starting to ooze a little bit. That's no problem at all. Now, since this is our top layer, we're gonna be a little bit more intentional with our frosting. We are going to just make little dollops all around, not on a full border like we did with those other cookies, but look how cute that is. We have one more thing we're gonna add to this to really tie together our delicious cookie cake. Yep, that's what we're making here, a cookie cake that everyone will enjoy. So easy and so cute. And the only thing that would make this better is some fresh fruits. I think I'm gonna add a little strawberry in the center. We have a raspberry there, a blackberry there. Do a little blueberry and kind of just go in that order for this delicious dessert. You could even put some fruit in the center layers, but I think this is ready. Look at that. Yummy, my favorite things. Woohoo! Cookie cake, delicious. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, that is so good. The cookie is nice and soft, and the frosting is creamy and delicious.